the author now.
The big bad wolf. The big bad wolf. The big bad wolf.
Did you just have a brain fart?
Begging your pardon, sir?
I resent it when people fart inside my office.
It's a beautiful life. Oh, oh. It's a beautiful life. Oh,
oh. Sandy?
Tell me about it, Steph.
'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side.
Planning on stealing something?
No, ma'am, we're not.
Plan on murdering me in my sleep?
What? No.
Electric shock. Electric shock.
I like nice tits. I always have. How about you?
I like having nice tits.
I wanna push you around, well I will, well I will. I wanna push you down, well I will, well I will. I wanna take you for granted. I wanna take you for granted. Yeah, well I will.
I'm just a love machine, and I won't work for nobody but you. Yeah, baby. I'm just a love machine, a hug and kiss and feed.
When you sneak into a wake and you see a beefcake, do the creep, and do the creep.
Bang, bang, Maxwell Silverhammer came down on her head.
Oh, you can't keep a good dog down.
No, sir.
No, you can't keep a good dog down. I've seen pain and hurt.
That's right.
I've eaten dirt.
That's true.
It's hard to buy, but even I've been jilted by a skirt.
He lied.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
How'd it get burned? How'd it get burned? How'd it get burned? How'd it get burned?
I don't know!
I came down to the breakfast table, felt like I could cry. Tried so hard but wasn't able to look you in the eye. For I am feeling so much shame, yes I have brought disgrace. Can tell I've soiled my good name by the look upon your face. Well, it seems last night you caught me spanking it, no use denying it, I was really cranking it.
And they called it puppy love.
I just want to catch up. Remember all the fun we had together?
Shut up, don't wanna hear it. I'm punching my food.
Yeah, you teach me. Yeah, I'll be your Yoda. Yeah, you be my Yoda.
He said, Luke, stay away from the darker side. And if you start to go astray, let the force be your guide. Oh, my Yoda.
You're a Yoda.
Yoda.
Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out.
I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over. I want to know right now, will it be? I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over. Will it be? Yes, or will it be? Sorry. So open up your morning light and say a little prayer for right. You know that if we are to stay alive,